वैसा कहा जाए तो स्पीच काफी बोरिंग लगता है. I know that most of us find it really boring, but I promise throughout my speech I'll make sure that you people don't get bored. वैसा कहा जाए तो I'm an MPC student with maths, physics and chemistry as my core subjects, but I always hated engineering. I never wanted to pursue it. पापा ने बोला MPC लो तो MPC ले लिया. But after I came to CA, that is when I realized that this is something that I really want to do and this is something that I'm actually meant. And once you get that feeling for something, you're done. You have your dream and you can go to any extent in order to achieve that. अब डिसाइड कर लिया कि सीए करना है तो फ्रेंड्स सब शॉक हो गए. मुझे तो लगा वैशाली तो इंजीनियरिंग करेगी, ना जाने कब सीए में पहुंच गई. अब सीए करने का डिसाइड कर लिया तो अच्छा इंस्टीट्यूशन भी ढूंढना था. सो पता नहीं कोइंसिडेंटली हुआ या एक्सीडेंटली हुआ. When I connected with Aja Commerce Academy, I realized that the head of the institute, Sushma ma'am, she is mother of Nishan, who was my childhood friend from 1st to 6th standard. I was so shocked and so happy at the same time. बहुत सही लगा अपने दोस्त के साथ बात करके इतने सालों के बाद. And when I came here, I initially faced some difficulty with accounts and economics. अब 3 non-commerce student और subjects थे सारे commerce वाले, but all the teachers over here are so wonderful. They helped me so well. And now I'm on par with accounts and I find it really very interesting right now. And talking about my subject teachers, Sushma ma'am used to take accounts and she's such a nice teacher. She never pressurizes the students. तुम लोगों को करना है तुम करो, नहीं करना है just rest. And she's so chill. She taught me how to be positive in life. And she's not just a good teacher but at the same time she's a wonderful mentor as well. And Pawan sir की तो बात ही अलग है. He is so my all-time favorite. The amount of experience he has, the relation that he holds with the students. He is my favorite teacher. And जैसे वो क्लास में आता है ना, वो जो जोश आता है ना, your laziness, your dizziness, everything is gone. You're just focused towards what he's saying in the class. And Tejas Joshi sir, he takes law. ये तो यूथ स्टार है एकेडमी के. मतलब लॉ एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है when you cannot understand the concepts without examples. तो वो ऑडी का और आल्टो एक्शन वाला एग्जांपल half of the examination that I've written in law are purely based on what I've heard in the class. मैं तो जो पढ़ती हूँ वो भूल जाती हूँ, लेकिन सर के एग्जांपल्स तो यहाँ पे दिमाग में बैठ जाते हैं. तो अभी इतना बता दिया, एक्सपीरियंस बताया, बट मेरा स्पीच यूजुअली मैं कभी मोटिवेशन की एंड नहीं करती, मुझसे होता नहीं वो चीज़. तो स्लाइट मोटिवेशन फॉर यू ऑल. सो हम सबने सीए तो ले लिया, डिस्पाइट नोइंग हाउ हार्ड इट इज. वी आर गोइंग टू फेस सो मेनी ऑब्स्टिकल्स. But one thing, 90% of us, majority of us have this fear of failure in our hearts. We do something because we are scared that we'll not be able to do it. We study with the fear that we'll fail in the examination. We study with the fear that we'll get less marks in the examination. But we never study with the mindset कि मुझे एग्जाम पास होना है. हम इसलिए पढ़ते कि एग्जाम पास नहीं होगी तो क्या हो जाएगा, मेरा पेरेंट्स क्या कहेंगे, टीचर्स क्या कहेंगे, सोसाइटी विल लाफ एट मी. बट कभी हमने ये सोचा कि मैं अपने बारे में क्या सोचती हूँ. Have we ever thought of doing something for ourselves at least for once? Whatever you're doing now, do it for yourself. And when you achieve that you will be really proud of yourself. All of us over here are really capable. इतने अच्छे facilities है यार, इतने अच्छे teachers, seniors who have qualified their examinations, they'll guide us throughout. इतने wonderful parents will give everything that we want. Ice cream चाहिए तो ice cream, books सब. ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो street light के नीचे बैठ के पढ़ते हैं, they don't have proper clothing, proper food, and still they do something in their lives. इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद भी why can't we achieve something in our lives? All that lacks is effort. And when you reset your mind in such a way that you'll give your 100%, you'll grind every day until you achieve something, you will definitely be in top-notch position one day. You know, out of lakhs of aspirants, only 2 to 3% students clear their CA final examinations in the first attempt. And if you want to be in that 2 to 3%, just ask yourself, why me? Ask yourself, why should I be under those 2 to 3%? And the answer lies in the amount of hard work and dedication that you put in. And trust me, everyone is so good over here. And before ending my speech, एक छोटी सी कहानी बताती हूँ. It's really very short. Consider 10,000 people who have decided to climb the Mount Everest. उन सबके पास equal amount of amenities है, oxygen, food, clothing, सब कुछ है. They start the journey, and in the midway, 4,000 to 5,000 people stop. Because they decide कि I cannot do this anymore, I should give up. There will be 2,000 to 3,000 people who will stop just below one step. They'll feel it is very long, I think I should give up, but बेचारों को पता नहीं होता कि they've almost reached. But that 1,000 people will be there who climb till the top-notch position, and they are the ones who taste the real feeling of success. So no matter how long the path is, no matter how hard it is, no matter how many times you fall, you should keep walking until you reach that spot, and that is when you'll have the real taste of success. So thank you so much, everyone.